How to lock someone out of your YouTube account. Sometimes the unnecessary device might get access to your YouTube account. So in order to log those unnecessary and unknown devices from your YouTube account, open YouTube application on your device. Make sure you already have logged in or signed into your account. Then go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this feed, you have to select Google account. Now on this section, you need to swipe a bit and then tap on security. When you scroll a bit down, you will see the option for your devices. Simply tap on manage all devices button. And then on this page, you need to select the device. And then you can simply tap on the sign out button. If the device is unnecessary or unknown, you will see easily the sign out button. Since it is my own device, so there is no any sign out button. If there is any, you can tap on it and easily lock someone out of your YouTube account. So that's how we do it.